What's going on, people? This is Terrence from Southern Gentleman's Table TV. Today we're going to do Southern grits, and we're going to use a quick grits, instant grits. A lot of people don't think you can make amazing grits with quick instant grits, but I can assure you, if you just kind of do and follow some of the things that I tell you to do, you make some amazing grits. All right. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to show you quickly. We're going to do a small portion. We'll do like a fourth a cup of grits. And on the recipe, on the back, it tells you to use 1.5 cups of water. Me personally, I always add an extra half a cup of liquid. So whether you use milk, water, chicken stock, I add an extra half a cup, and that kind of keeps them nice. Now, my secret, I always do half water, half milk. So I'm going to do a cup and a half of water, and then I'm going to do a cup of milk. All right. So I got this 1 cup of water, and I'm going to do 1 cup of milk to make 2 cups. Again, I know the recipe says a cup and a half, but I always do a half a cup more. That's what's going to give a nice creamy texture. And I also put about 3 tablespoons of butter. I'll put it right in here with the grits. All right. I'll start seasoning them as needed. And that's it. We're going to start that. And then when it comes together, you'll see what it looks like. All right. All right. We're back. So listen, if you look here, that mixture's going now. You got to keep your eyes on this stove. If you turn your back and sneeze, that thing overflow. You see that? I'm going to pour that in. There we go. Oh, we got the whisk. Let's see, we can turn it down now. Because again, these are instant grits. It's not going to take long, but now we got that incorporated. Keep that going. And now I'm just going to add just a little bit, not too much. When you seasoning anything, you just do a little bit at a time to taste. Because the one thing is, it's going to be hard to take it out if you put too much. You can always add some more. All right. So we're going to keep that going. And they're going to start coming together. All right, so listen, we almost 5 minutes in, and we kind of look at that and see that texture coming together. And see, you notice they're coming together nice. They're not dry, they're nice, they're pliable, and and so at this point, this is when, if you want to add a little more seasoning, if you want to add more butter, if you like cheese grits, you can add some cheese in here right now. But these are perfect grits right now. They're creamy. So if you're eating shrimp and grits or just grits for breakfast, this is it. So those little tips that I gave you, those are perfect.